Hey everybody, this is Robin from Violet Botanical Skincare and welcome back to Work With Me Wednesday. You know I love it when you join me in the lab, but today we're in the kitchen, which means I have a DIY healthy mocktail for you that is full of vitamins, minerals, fiber, antioxidants. So come on back and let's make this healthy mocktail. I want to thank you for joining me this week with Work With Me Wednesday. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you think someone else would like this video, share it. And if it were shared to you, then sign up for our newsletter. The information is below and you will get these videos and more each week direct to your inbox. Again, thank you. Happy holidays, Happy New Year, and I will see you next year. Cheers.